All right, let's look at the homework 9, problem number 26. All right, so we want to show that the y equals square root of c minus 8x to the fourth power is a solution of the differential equation given here. And find a particular solution that goes through 2, 1. All right, first question. How can it be shown that y equals square root of c minus 8x to the fourth is a solution of this differential equation? All right, so what we have to do is find the derivative and the substitute. So C. All right, check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, perform the operation selected in the steps. Okay, so we just need to take the derivative. All right, so I'm gonna go here. All right, so first thing is I don't like square root, so I'm gonna rewrite it as y is equal to quantity c minus 8x to the fourth power raised to the 1/2 power. All right, then we can take the derivative. All right, put the power in front. Right, keep the same quantity inside, c minus 8x to the fourth, and then subtract 1 from the power, so it's a negative 1/2, and then multiply by derivative of inside. Derivative of c is 0, and derivative of negative ax to the fourth would be, it's going to be negative. 4 times 8 is 32. Right, x to the third power, subtract 1, right? So we get that. All right, then we can simplify a little bit here. We can cancel 2 here and 32, so that's going to be 16. All right, so it's going to be on top, so it's going to be a negative sign, and 16x cubed on top over, right, so it's a negative power, so it's going to be c minus 8x to the fourth that sits on the bottom. 1/2 power is square root. All right, so let's type it in. All right, so we have, let's see, so, sorry. All right, I'm going to go here. All right, perform the operation selected in the previous step. All right, so let's, right, derivative of y, so here, is equal to, right, negative, so you have the quotient, right, 16x cubed over square root of c minus 8x to the fourth power, right? So let's check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, and substitute the appropriate expression for, so here, so I guess it's a derivative. We just have to put that guy in there. So it's going to be negative 16x cubed over square root of, oh, actually, we have to probably use this, c minus 8x to the fourth power, right? And check the answer. Right, we got that. Alright, what process can be used to rewrite the equation to show that the two sides are equal? Right, so let's see, not integrate, take the derivative, no, substitute the y in the denominator. That will be the way to go, right? So check the answer. Right, we got that. Right, find a particular solution that passes through 2, 1. Right, so let's do that. All right, so solution is here. So it passes through 2, 1. This just means that y of 2 is equal to 1. So let's use that. So y of 2 is equal to, right, it's square root of c minus, all right, so 8 times, all right, 2 to the fourth power would be 16, right? So you have 16, right? What's 16 times 8? 48 and 128, all right? So this is going to be square root of c minus 128. right? So this is equal to 1, right? So which means that we square both sides. So we have a c minus 128 has to be equal to 1, right? So which means that the c has to be equal to, by adding 128, so it's going to be 129, right? So let's type it in. So alright, so it's going to be y is equal to square root of, so we found c to be 129 minus 8x to the 4th power. Alright, so let's check the answer. Alright, we got that. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.